Exciting opportunity alert. Are you ready to kickstart your career in the tech industry? Welcome to Longswitch Software Solutions, where innovation meets opportunity. Our team is currently on the lookout for enthusiastic individuals to join us as Salesforce developer interns. As we dive into the heart of our operations, you'll see our interns fully immersed in the world of Salesforce development. They're not just staring at screens, they're crafting solutions, navigating the intricate Salesforce interface, and collaborating seamlessly with their teammates. We're currently seeking 2 talented interns to join our team as Salesforce developers. But what does it take to excel in this role? First and foremost, you'll need a strong foundation in programming languages like Apex and Java, as well as proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Experience with Salesforce-specific technologies like Visualforce and Lightning Web Components is a definite plus, but it's not just about technical skills. We're looking for interns who are team players, problem solvers, and excellent communicators. At Longswitch, we believe in nurturing talent and providing opportunities for growth. Here at Longswitch, learning isn't just a solo endeavor. Our interns are fully immersed in real-world projects, collaborating closely with experienced developers who serve as their mentors and guides. To summarize this, you'll have the chance to collaborate with a dynamic team, learn new skills, and make a real impact on our projects. If you have a passion for technology and a desire to grow professionally, we want to hear from you. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to jumpstart your career as a Salesforce developer intern. Ready to take the next step in your career? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about our internship opportunities at Longswitch Software Solutions.